MagFone iPhone Unlocker allows you to remove your Apple ID even if you've forgotten the password. It's easy to use and doesn't require technical expertise. If your iPhone does not have the Find My feature turned on, MagFone can remove your Apple ID without data loss. If the Find My feature is turned on, please ensure the device has a passcode set and two-factor authentication turned on. After confirming the device information is correct, click Download to download and verify the firmware package. Click Unlock to start unlocking the Apple ID. Enter your device passcode to use your iPhone normally. MagFone is perfect for those who can't reset their Apple ID and need a reliable solution.